there is a question Nigerians don't like to ask. Not because it is unimportant, but because it is dangerous. Anytime this question comes up, people stop thinking and start shouting. Christians get defensive while Muslims get suspicious. And before you know it, the real issue is lost. The question is very, very simple. Is Nigeria be secular or should it be a religion nation? Let me ask the simple question again. Is Nigeria a secular nation or should it be a religion nation? Today, let's talk about it calmly, without any insult or propaganda. We are just trying to make sense here. Stay with me till the end of the video because the last part is where everything comes together. If this is your first time here, take your time to click on that subscription button, turn on the notification bell, like this video, share it with others to learn as well. First, let's be honest with ourselves. Nigeria is not a small village where everybody believes the same thing. Nigeria is not one religion, neither Nigeria practice one culture. We are Muslims, Christians, and traditional worshippers living together in a country. People who don't even practice anything seriously are equally in Nigeria, yet we all carry one passport. Now, here is the irony of the whole thing. Nigeria is one of the most religious countries in the world. Churches and mosques full everywhere, prayer camps and crusade ground everywhere. But still, corruption is high, insecurity is growing, and poverty is spreading. So we need to ask ourselves a hard question. If religion alone fixes a nation, shouldn't Nigerians be heaven on earth by now? Let me take that again. If religion alone fixes a nation, shouldn't Nigerians be heaven on earth by now? Many people hear secular and panic. They think it means no God, no religion, or immoralities. No, that is not true. A secular nation does not ban religion. It only says one thing. Government will not choose religion for you. You can pray, you can as well fast and worship the God you choose to worship, but the law must treat everybody the same. In a secular state, the constitution is above pastors and imams. Leaders answer to the law, not the pulpit. Religion guides people's hearts, not court judgments. That is it. Nothing more and nothing less. Now, let's be fair and treat them separately. An Islamic or a Christian state works in places where one religion is dominant, where the society agrees on the same values, where minorities are small and protected. But Nigeria is not like that. If Nigeria becomes an Islamic nation, Christians in the north will feel like outsiders. Southern Nigeria will restrict it. Tension will increase in the land. If Nigeria becomes a Christian nation, Muslims will feel cheated. The North will reject it as well. Same problem but different direction and different name. And let's be honest with ourselves, power in Nigeria is already abused. Now imagine giving leaders religion authority on top of political power. Disagreement will no longer be wrong. It will become a sin. That is very, very dangerous. Here is the truth many people don't like to hear. Nigeria's problem is not secularism. Nigerian problem is bad leadership, weak institutions, no consequences for sins committed or crime committed. We have leaders who pray in the public but still in the private. They quote scriptures but break the laws. Religion didn't stop them. Fear of God didn't stop them as well. What stops bad leaders is strong laws, independent courts, citizens who demand accountability, not just prayers. Prayer is good, but prayer without justice is noise. So what is the best simple path forward? We should allow religion to shape character and allow law to shape our behaviors. Government focuses on security, economy, and justice. By now, you know a nation can be very religious, very moral, and very spiritual without being a religious state. Faith belongs in the heart. The constitution belongs in government. Once leaders fear the law more than public prayers, things will change. The question is not, should Nigerians choose Islam or Christianity? The real question is, how do we make power answer to the people? Because a corrupt leader with a Bible and a corrupt leader with a Quran will still destroy a nation. Nigeria doesn't need more religion labels. Nigeria needs justice that works. If you watch this video to this point, I know by now that you understand the issue deeper than before. If this video made sense to you, please subscribe and support this channel, like this video, share it, and equally drop your thoughts in the comment section respectively, because Nigeria is bigger than every one of us. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.